નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, સીડ ઓફિસર ક્લાસ 2ની એક્ઝામ પ્રિપરેશન માટે એસડીયુ અને એમસીક્યુની આપણે એક સિરીઝ ચાલુ કરી હતી, જેમાં એમસીક્યુનો આપણે ક્વિક રિવિઝન કરતા હતા. આજે એનો 17 પાર્ટ છે. એગ્રીકલ્ચર એન્જિનિયરિંગ 3.2 ક્વેશ્ચન 1. વિચ ઓફ ધી ફોલોવિંગ ઇઝ અ નોટ ટ્રેક્ટિવ વર્કર ઇઝ થ્રેસિંગ? An average man can develop power up to 0.1 HP. Which one is a drought animal? Bullock, camel, and a donkey. All are drought element. Which one is the example of renewable energy based equipment? Answer all of the above. Windmill, biogas plant, solar cooker. A power of tractor is expressed usually in the term of HP. The average force that bullock can exert is 1/10 of its body weight. An average pair of bullock can develop power up to 1 HP. The size of tractor generally used for various agriculture operations in India is 25 HP, 25 horsepower. According to Nemraj Sunda, it is 31,340 horsepower. Average capacity of windmill is 0.5 horsepower. The renewable energy source of energy are biogas only. The renewable energy source of farm power include all of the above: biogas, wind energy, and solar energy. External combustion engine utilize the heat in the form of steam. Energy, the engine is a device which converts chemical energy into mechanical energy. IC engine stand for internal combustion. The engine in which fuel burn outside the engine cylinder is known as external combustion engine. The engine in which fuel is burned inside the engine cylinder is known as IC engine. The engine in which one cycle is completed in 2 revolutions of crankshaft is known as 4-stroke engine, while in engine in which one cycle is complete 1 revolution of crankshaft it is 2-stroke engine. The engine in which one power stroke takes place for every 1 revolution of crankshaft it is 2-stroke, while engine in which one power stroke takes place every 2 revolutions is 4-stroke engine. The thermal efficiency of diesel engine is from 32 to 38%. The thermal efficiency of petrol engine is 25 થી 32%. Compression ratio of diesel engine is 14 to 20:1. Compression ratio for petrol engine it is 5 to 8.1. Connecting rod in engine is used to convert reciprocal motion of piston into rotatory motion of crankshaft. 2-stroke engine, the first stroke denotes suction and compression. In diesel engine, the component placed at the place of spark plug is injector. Camshaft used to operate valve. આની અંદર કનેક્ટિંગ રોડ આવી શકે. આ ઓપ્શન એકવાર જોઈ લેવું. કનેક્ટિંગ રોડ આવે. During suction stroke, the pressure inside the engine is less than atmospheric pressure. The cylinder clock is normally made up of cast iron. In the 2 part of stroke engine with a crankcase, all of the above. Scavenging will be poor, lubrication will be difficult, efficiency will be low. Piston is normally made up of cast iron. Function of piston ring, answer all of the above. To form a gas tight combustion chamber, transmit the heat wave from the piston to cylinder wall, control the cylinder lubrication. SI is a stand for spark ignition. CI is a stand for compression ignition. IC engine is classified on base of fuel, base of ignition, based on stroke. In this engine, during suction stroke, only air is entered into cylinder and compressed. Is diesel engine. There is no valve in this type of engine. Answer two-stroke engine જેમાં valve ન હોય. The process of removal of burnt exhaust gas from the engine cylinder is scavenging કે જે ધુમાડો હોય જે ગેસ એક્ઝોસ્ટ થઈ ગયો હોય એને નીકળે સિલિન્ડરની અંદરથી બહાર નીકળે વાલ્વ તરફથી એક્સટર્નલ વાલ્વ તેને સ્કેવેન્જિંગ કહેવાય છે. Specific fuel consumption of diesel engine is 0.2 kg per hour, 0.2 kg per bph per hour. The thermal efficiency of petrol engine is less than that of diesel engine. BHP, brake horsepower of engine, indicate power on fire flywheel. SI engine, the intake of open about 10 days before top dead compression. Valve timing diagram is the function of BMEP. The single cylinder engine generally used in stationary engine. Carburetor is the main part of petrol engine. The internal combustion engine invented by Nicholas Otto. The type of piston is compressing ring and oil ring. The portion of piston below piston pin is skirt or skirt. BDC नहीं પણ અહીંયા TDC આવશે. TDC is stand for top dead center અને BDC is stand for bottom dead center. It is the linear distance travelled by piston from top dead center to bottom dead center is known as stroke. The diameter of piston is known as bore. The stroke ratio varies between 1 to 1.45. The stroke ratio of tractor is 1 to 1.25. The volume dispelled by one stroke of the piston is swept volume. 1 HP equivalent to 75 kg meter per second. IHP is stand for indicated horsepower. BHP is stand for brake horsepower. IHP indicate power on piston. Indicated horsepower છે એનો પાવર જે છે પિસ્ટનમાં હોય. Frictional horsepower on engine is indicated horsepower minus brake horsepower. The ratio of brake horsepower to indicated horsepower is the mechanical efficiency. Mechanical efficiency of IC engine ratio between brake horsepower upon integrated horsepower. The power required to run engine at a given speed without producing any work, it is called frictional horsepower. A dynamometer is used for DBHP. The formula of integrated horsepower for 4-stroke engine is plan upon 4500 into n by 2. The choke in the carburetor is provided to control air supply. Heavy smoking in an engine in operation may due to rich mixer, late injection and overloading. The anti-knock quality of petrol is given by octave number. FHC is stand for frictional horsepower. DBHP is stand for down bar horsepower. Chapter 4. The quality of fuel. The quality of fuel is mainly depend upon volatility, ignition quality and calorific value. It is the vaporizing ability of fuel in given temperature is volatility. Fuel which is most difficult to vaporize is high speed diesel oil. The heat lubricated by combustion of fuel is known as calorific value. Calorific value is expressed in Kelvin calorie per kg. The calorific value of petrol is 11,100. Calorific value of power kerosene is 10,850. સૌથી વધારે પેટ્રોલની 11,100, કેરોસીનની છે 10,850. કેલોરીફિક વેલ્યુ ઓફ હાઈ સ્પીડ ડીઝલ ઓઇલ ઇટ ઇઝ 10,550 અને સૌથી ઓછી કેલોરીફિક વેલ્યુ ઓફ લાઇટ સ્પીડ ડીઝલ ઓઇલ ઇઝ 10,300. The violence noise heard in engine during combustion it is called detonation. The fuel pressure at the fuel lift pump in a range of 1.5 થી 2.5 kg per centimeter square. It is the component which deliver finely atomized fuel under high temperature to the combustion chamber of an engine is a fuel injector. It is the mechanical device designated to control speed of engine is governor. Governor is present in tractor. Purpose of cooling system answer all of the above. First, to maintain optimum temperature of engine, maintain lubrication property of oil, dissipate surplus heat for protection of engine. Thermostat valve is a water cooled engine. Thermostat valve used in water cooled engine. Thermostat valve used to control flow of water. Radiator is a part of cooling system. Air cooled engine has fin. Air cooled engine has fins. The main difference between firewheel and governor is firewheel absorb energy while governor control engine speed. The basic function of governor in engine to regulate engine speed. Cooling system of IC engine mainly petrol time maintain temperature at 71 થી 82 degree Celsius. Firing order of 4-stroke 4-cylinder engine is 1 2 3 4. Answer છે 1 3 4 2. The type of starting aid generally used in diesel power tiller is decompressor level. The voltage of spark plug is 20,000 volt. Ignition delay in diesel engine refer to period between completion of fuel injection and ignition. Cold spark plug used in heavy engine in petrol engine. Petrol engine માં cold spark plug નો use થાય છે. The spark plug gap setting are kept between 0.5 to 0.85. The cold spark plug is used for petrol engine. Hot spark plug is used for power and engine. The firing interval of 2-stroke engine is determined by 130 degree per number of cylinder and the firing interval of 4-stroke engine is determined by 120 upon number of cylinder. One of the rear wheel of the tractor to rotate slower or faster than other by differentiation. The device used to connect and disconnect tractor engine from the transmission of gear and drive wheel is clutch. Firing order of engine indicate sequence of power stroke. Complete path of power from engine to wheel is power train. Dog clutch is mostly used in power tiller. The function of clutch in an engine is to connect power and disconnect power. Chapter 6 Purpose of lubrication is reducing frictional effect, cooling effect and sealing effect. The part which require lubrication is cylinder valve and piston, cam shaft bearing and piston pin. The force lubricate system commonly used in tractor engine, truck and automobile engine, high speed multi-cylinder engine. Track or chain type tractor is chain or are their wheel chapter but એક વાર check કરી લેવું. At a farm the self propeller power unit is a tractor. The power of tractor measured at the end of draw bar is dbhp, drawn bar horsepower. For the operating farm machinery, the tractor engine is used through PTO and belt and pulley. Hydraulic system in a tractor mainly used for operating three-point hitch. Hydraulic unit work on principle of Pascal law. The tractor with numeric wheel are known as wheel tractor. Depreciation of machine value generally estimate in the term per hours. With the help of PTO shaft, the tractor can operate mover, forage harvester અને combine. ટ્રોલી એરે જે ટ્રેક્ટરને કન્વર્ટ કરે ટ્રોલીને ખેંચે અને પીટીઓ શાફ્ટ કહેવાય છે. The machine which not operate by PTO is seed drill. આ બધાને ખેંચી શકીએ છીએ. The PTO shaft is proportional to the forward speed. Ply rating is used for tires. Camber angle is used for steering system. Camber angle is used in steering system. Lubricant is used for machine and engine are animal oil, mineral oil and vegetable oil. The loss in the value with the time of machine is depreciation. The tractor manufacturing was started in India 1960-61. First manufactured tractor in India, Eicher. Any force applied to point to cause turning effect is known as torque. Chapter 7, Mechanical Manipulation of Soil. It is called tillage. Tillage leads to reduced soil erosion, destruction of weed, proper aeration in the soil. A primary tillage implement cover depth of 4 થી 8 ઇંચ કા પછી આપણે ગણીએ તો 15 થી 20 સેન્ટીમીટર, 10 થી 15 સેન્ટીમીટર. The secondary tillage implement 6 થી 14 ઇંચ એટલે 15 થી 25 સેન્ટીમીટર. એમબી પ્લાવ આયરનનો બની ગયેલો હોય એટલે એ પ્રાઇમરી ટિલેજ ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ છે. એમબી પ્લાવ, ચીઝલ પ્લાવ આ બધા પ્રાઇમરી ટિલેજ. અ ફાઇનલ ઓપરેશન પરફોર્મ ફોર સીડ બેડ પ્રિપરેશન એટલે જ્યારે જમીન તૈયાર કરીએ તો પ્રાઇમરી ટિલેજ, સીડ બેડ પ્રિપરેશન કરીએ તો પછી સેકન્ડરી ટિલેજ. સેકન્ડરી ટિલેજ ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ હેરો, સ્વીપ અને કલ્ટિવેટર આ બધા સેકન્ડરી ટિલેજ ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ છે. ધ મશીન યુઝ ફોર seed bed preparation, weed control, mixing of soil and crop residue fertilizer. It is called a rotavator. And rotavator is a primary and secondary both બેયમાં આવે પણ નોર્મલી આપણે પ્રાઇમરીમાં ગણીએ. Share is the part of MB plow. One of the most common implement by Indian farmer is endogenous. આપણે લાકડાનો પ્લાવ કહીએ એ. The function of MB plow. ઇન્ડોજીનિયસ પ્લાવ એટલે જે આપણે લાકડાનો પ્લાવ. આ એમબી પ્લાવ છે એ આયરનનો બની ગયેલો હોય. કટિંગ ફ્લુરોસ્લાઇસ, ટર્નિંગ ધ ફ્લુરોસાઇડ કટિંગ કરે અને લિફ્ટિંગ કરે એ એમબી પ્લાવનું ફંક્શન છે. ધ વર્ટિકલ ફેસ ઓફ શેર વિથ સ્લાઇડ અમોંગ ફુરો વેલ ઇટ નોન એઝ ગનેલ. વર્ટિકલ ફેસ ઓફ શેર વિથ સ્લાઇડ along the furrow is well known as gunnel. Forward end of cutting edge which is actually penetrate into the soil is shear point. The front edge of the shear which make horizontal cut is known as cutting edge. The outer end of cutting edge shear is wing of the shear which mold board adopted for plugging all ground level good pulverization is desired is stubble mold board in which mold board cultivator is not a gradual but abrupt along the top edge is stubble mold board. It is mold board with gentle curvature which lift and invert furrow slides and use tough soil of the grasses. It is sword and breaker type mold board. It is part of plow bottom which slide along the furrow wall is the land side. Width of the land side of animal drawn plow varies between 5 થી 10 સેન્ટીમીટર. It is the part of plough bottom in which shear, moldboard and landslide are attached rigidly is frog. It is the small irregular piece of metal having shape similar to ordinary plough bottom is jointer. The jointer should be set to cut 5 થી 4 થી 5 cm deep. It is used to maintain uniform depth of implement is gauge wheel. It is the maximum clearance under the landslide and the horizontal surface when the plough is resting on horizontal surface and working position is known as vertical suction. It is the maximum clearance between landslide and furrow is horizontal suction. MV plug, the vertical suction vary from 3.2 to 7.9 mm. The area covered by plough depend on width of plough strip, length of time of operation, travel speed of plough. Question: the tilt angle of standard disc plough varies between 15 થી 25 degree Celsius. આ tilt angle ની વાત થઈ. હવે disc angle of standard disc plough vary from 42 થી 45 degree Celsius. Disc angle adjustment include width of cut. The depth of penetration of disc harrow is increased by gang angle. The width of cut of disc plough is increased by increase in disc angle. The thickness of disc in disc plough is 5 થી 10 mm. It is the angle at which plane of cutting edge of the disc inclined to the direction of travel is disc angle. It is the angle at which the plane of cutting edge of the disc is inclined to vertical plane. It is tilt angle. It is the depth of measure at center of disc by placing it concave slide on face surface is known as concavity. A diameter of disc blade in a tractor drawn disc plough is varies between 60 થી 90 cm. Disc blade ની tractor ની અંદર 90 cm. A diameter of disc blades in animal drawn disc plough is 45 cm. In the disc plough, disc move forward by rolling. In the disc plough, scraper are used to remove stick soil from the disc. The total force expert upon the implement by the power unit it is called pull. The horizontal component of pull parallel to line of motion is draft. The horizontal component of pull એટલે horizontal force લાગે તો એને આપણે ડ્વાર્ફ કહેવાય અને ડ્વાર્ફની યુનિટ છે ને યુનિટ ડ્વાર્ફ કહેવાય. યુનિટ ઓફ ફિલ્ડ કેપેસિટી ઇઝ હોર પર હેક્ટર પર અવર્સ. unit dwarf is kg per centimeter square. આ બે ફોર્મ્યુલા છે. ચેપ્ટર નંબર 9. Harrow is used as secondary tillage. It is the disc harrow comprising 4 gang in which each gang can be angled in opposite direction is tandem hisced harrow. It is the disc harrow in which 2 gang are fit one behind to each other is offset disc harrow. It is the harrow with 2 gang placed end to end with through the soil opposite direction is single action disc harrow. A disc harrow consisting 2 or more gang is double acting disc harrow. The size of disc in a tractor drawn disc harrow varies between 35 to 70 cm. It is the assembly of concave disc mountable on common shaft with a spool between it is gang. The penetration of disc harrow can be increased by increase in weight. The adjustment for obtaining higher penetration by adding additional weight. The blade harrow, popularly known as bhakhar, cultivator uses secondary tillage. Usually refer Churning the churning of soil in the presence of excess water is known as puddling. Usually, puddling is done in standing water of 10 થી 15 સેન્ટીમીટર રાઇઝની કરી અંદર કરીએ તો 5 સેન્ટીમીટરથી 8 સેન્ટીમીટર આવશે. Purpose of puddling is to reduce leaching of water, to facilitate the transplanting and to kill weed. ત્રણ પર્પોઝ છે. પહેલો લીચિંગ ઓછું કરે, ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટિંગને ફેસિલિટેટ કરે અને વીડને કિલ કરે. Puddling is done in paddy crop. Most popular weed control tool among small farmer is khurpa. For the preparation of paddy field, the best implement is puddler. Chapter number 10. It is a machine for placing the seed continuous flow in the furrow at a uniform rate is a seed drill. Seed drill છે કે જેનો યુઝ થઈ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ફ્લો કરે ફરો એટલે જમીનને આપણે ખાડો કર્યો એની અંદર યુનિફોર્મ રેટમાં. ઇટ ઇઝ સીડ ડ્રીલ. અ મશીન મેન્ટેન રો ટુ રો ડિસ્ટન્સ while sowing seed cum fertilizer seed drill. Which machine maintain plant to plant as well as row to row distance? It is planter. If the speed of travel of an animal operated seed drill is double, then seed rate is same. The function of seed drill to carry the seed, to place seed in furrow, to open furrow at an uniform depth. The most common type of metering device is fluted roller. Fluted roller. The number of flute in the roller range is from 8 to 12. This furrow opener work well and traces well. Where seed bed are not smoothly prepared, it is shoe type. This type of furrow open is found suitable where plant debris or trace mulch are used. It is disc type. The procedure of testing the seed drill for correct seed rate, it is calibration. Chapter number 11. It is a machine to apply fluid in the form of droplets is sprayer. The purpose of sprayer is application of fungicide to minimize fungal disease, application of herbicide to remove weed, application of insecticide to control insect pest. The main function of sprayer is to break liquid into droplet, to regulate amount of liquid, to distribute uniform over the plant. The capacity of high volume sprayer is more than 400 liter per hectare. Capacity of low volume sprayer is 5 થી 400 liter water per hectare. Capacity of ultra low volume sprayer is less than 5 liter per hectare. The working principle of sprayer is hydraulic energy sprayer and a compression sprayer. The machine to apply chemical in the dust storm is duster. The height of broom is function of nozzles pressing on broom, amount of overlap required, nozzle spray angle. Droplet size can be increased by reducing the operating pressure, increasing ossifier size, increasing viscosity. Power sprayer are used to operate a pressure of 20 થી 55 kg per meter scale. The flow rate of particular nozzle directly proportional to square root of pressure and orifice area. The electrostatic sprayer, the total volume of liquid to be sprayed over hectare is less than 1 liter. Swirler plate in the cord nozzle is provided to impart rotational motion to the liquid passing through it. The application rate of duster is less than 10 kg per hectare. The hand operator sprayer are operated at the pressure of 1 to 7 kg per centimeter square. SP is the famous for manufacturing sprayer. Chapter number 12. The cutter bar of tractor operator mower is normally make 800 થી 1200 stroke per minute In a combine harvester, the ratio of a real peripheral speed to the forward speed should be normally range between 1.25 થી 1.5. The reciprocal type of mover is fit with a reciprocal cutter bar. The Olford thresher is operated by pair of bullock. The purpose of registration in mover is to run mover at minimum power. Ripper is used for cutting and withdrawing. The thresher causes more seed damage if speed is increased. Axial flow of thresher is a race bar type of cylinder. Axial flow thresher used in rasp bar type cylinder. Harvesting operation refer to cutting of crop under the soil and above the soil. The sharp tool cut the crop is by slicing action. The manual harvesting involves the cutting of crop by slicing and tearing. A machine to cut herbage crop and leave them in the field, it is called a mower. A machine to cut a green crop is known as a reaper. The material left by harvesting machine is a swath. A machine to cut the crop and deliver them into uniform way, it known as winnower. A sickle is a harvesting tool. The most common mover among following is reciprocating mover. Improper mover registration cut uneven harvesting excess clogging of crop in knife. In a combine, commonly used cylinder is a rasp bar type. Threshing mechanism combine of revolving cylinder and concave. The peripheral speed of combined cylinder varies 2000 થી 7000 rpm. In a combine, the removal of chaff and other foreign material from the grain is the function of cleaning unit. Ridger is a furrower and bund former. In the field furrow can be made bund former and ridger. Ridger plough is a ridger and MV plough. The function of animal draw scoop is excavate the ditch and clean the drain. The blade of soil scoop is made up of high carbon steel. Blade of soil scoop is made up of high carbon steel. In ridge, the share of feet to frog. Thank you. Engineering 5.3 covered in next video.